Hey everyone, in this video we are going to look at one of the most useful features of InstaWP versions. Now if you've updated a plugin, made some changes to the code or experimented with your website, this feature is going to save you a lot of stress. With versions in InstaWP, you can save snapshots of your website, label important versions, restore older versions anytime, or even download your site files and database when needed. Think of it like checkpoints for your WordPress website. Alright, let's see how it works. First, go to your InstaWP dashboard and open the Sites section. Here you will see all your WordPress websites. Now find the website you want to create a version for. Next to the site, click on the horizontal ellipsis icon, the three dots. This opens a panel from the right side. Inside this panel, click on Save New Version. And that's it. InstaWP will now create a version of your current website. This version stores your current state, so if anything breaks later, you can always come back to this exact version. Now, once you have saved multiple versions, you can add labels or tags to your versions so you know exactly what each one was for. For example, before WooCommerce update, homepage redesign, client approval version, pre-migration backup, etc. To add a label, find the version you want to rename, then click on the edit icon next to it. Now type your label name. Once done, click on the save icon. Simple. Now your versions are much easier to identify later. You can also restore a version. To do so, click on Restore option. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Then click Confirm and InstaWP will restore your website back to that saved version. You can also download your website version whenever you need. This is useful for local debugging, moving the site elsewhere, manual backups, or keeping an offline copy for reference. To download the site files, click on Download File. This downloads your website files as a zip file. If you only want the database, click on Download Database. That will download the database in SQL format, and the download will start automatically. Using versions regularly is one of the easiest way to protect your WordPress workflow and recover quickly if anything goes wrong. And that's it for the video. Thank you for watching.